Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezwa. Guys, this day we were going to town. This is my firstborn, by the way. Well, for those who are new here, this is my firstborn. I know you guys know my intro that I am a mother of 3 handsome boys, and you never really see my 3 handsome boys because there's always Ulubanzi on my channel. Well, this one is the first one. He's 21. He's doing his last year at varsity, and then there's Ogushle in the middle, and then this is the last one. But anyway, we were running errands for the first one. But Ogushla's dad sent an SMS to come pick Ogushle because he was flying to Cape Town. So looking at the time, he said he's flying at 4:30. I was like, you know what, let's just go start with picking up Ogushle. And he also wanted us to get his bags. Well, one bag, because he's obviously not going to take everything to Cape Town. He was just going there for 2 days. It was 2 days or 3 days, I don't remember, guys. But we went there, took the bag, Satatuluba Ogushle. Guys, having 3 kids, I always you are items. Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this is literally still the same day. This is a continuation because I just closed off the vlog wearing like this, running my errands, and I'm currently in town. We needed to get my firstborn some things, and yeah, and then now we're going to and then we're gonna go to my brother's place. We didn't go. It's 4 now. It's literally 4:08. So yeah, it's a tricky one because you know what, we were supposed to come here first, but then my baby daddy called and said he's going to Cape Town. Can we please come get his bags, because he's obviously not taking everything to Cape Town. When I got there to the hotel, he was sleeping. 1, 2, 3, he hadn't started packing the bags. So we went there. The clips that you guys saw, we ate while we were waiting for him. He packed, and then we put the bag. I took one bag, big one, and then he took the other ones. Guys, I got distracted because Ulubanzi was crying, right? So I was saying that Ubengaka pack, so I had to help him pack so that ezosheshisa, and Yena, he's on time, but Mina, unfortunately, I'm busy because of the things that I need to do. I need to take my mom to my younger brother's house. I need to take my son we're currently in town because of my son, the first one. So unfortunately, I also couldn't take him to the airport. He had to Uber himself because of how busy I am, but I will pick him up on Monday. He left me. He left me. He went to Cape Town to enjoy, and I'm so happy for him because he's so excited. I'm like, okay, you know, so I want him to be happy. I want him to enjoy, and yeah, because I mean, we don't know when he'll be back in SA again, to be honest. So if he wants to do everything, go to Cape Town, you know, just do it. Just do it. It's fine. I mean, we've been with him for 6 days. He tried Mdana Band, and he's coming back on Monday. We're still gonna be with him for a couple of days, so yeah, he can go enjoy himself. Am I sad I didn't go to Cape Town? Yes, because I wanted to create content, but the boys said if you're coming with that one, you're gonna slow us down, so please sifuna ukuthena apha singene ngo-7 endlini. I was like, hey, kulungile. What happened? So yeah, guys, this is the start of a new vlog. I think Ulubanzi is tired. He's just not having it, so I don't want to keep on cutting this video. Let's just start it. Welcome to a new vlog. For those who don't know me, my name is Ongezwa, but you can call me City Mom because I'm a mother of 3 handsome boys. So my new subbies, thank you so much for joining the family, and if you've been here, thank you so much for the love and support. I am vlogging using the phone that he got me. I need to check the quality, but obviously it's iPhone 15. I'm sure it's better than iPhone 13. So I'm not complaining. I'm sure it's alright. What's wrong? Guys, let's go to my brother's place. I'll catch up with you guys later. So guys, I don't know if you guys remember, I think it was the end of 2023, my younger brother bought a house. If you've been here, you'll remember me posting that my younger brother bought a house. Also last year I did mention end of December that my younger brother, my firstborn stays with my younger brother. Reason being, he is closer to school if he stays with him, because he literally walks to school. He doesn't even have to take a taxi, and with me he has to take like 2 taxis because I'm in the north. So I did mention last year that my younger brother and my first son they moving in with me until the renovations are done. So since last year, December, January, February, March, April, they're still with me. So my mom, because Ulape Joburg, so she was like, you know what, let me just go to the house and see the progress, how far they are they doing the right things, and so here I was telling him to remove this thing because I really don't like it and I don't understand why it's still here. And he was explaining that if they take this thing out, I don't know, the house is gonna fall or whatever. I was like, I don't know, don't care, but I don't like it. And my mom didn't like it too. And here we were asking why kungafakanga ama-tiles. Athi no, imali ntontoni, I was like, hayibo, how can you make the whole house and leave one room ingafakanga ama-tiles? But guys, renovations are very expensive, to be honest, guys. So I think that he will end up doing everything, but all in good time. Because there's a lot that needs to be done, to be honest, and it's very costly. But it's coming together. It's coming together quite nicely. I love this this new house. It feels like it's a new house because I didn't like the old one. I was like, guys, I don't think I'll ever buy an old house with that thing you wouldn't renovate it, because honestly I just don't have the time and the energy for it, bandla. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi, guys. Lubanzi, say hi, guys. Looks like I just got some free chips. Tata Nana, where are your chips? Some bad to August. Ngifuna ukushutha lo othi uyasana ngicela uhlisa volume tripod on the empty bedroom. Sana ngicela uhlisa volume yo Guys, no, I can't. I lose my mind, honestly.
On Monday.
The presentation yandonla.
For our
Go ufuna kunxiba formal.
Yes. It's for Marks.
Ukunxiba kanje nako isuya ngapha ugogo kanxibanga. Okuhle, put your dad's bag in the other bedroom.
My dad's?
This. I'm going to the camera. That we are going interview, uyambona? Funa kuyi-ayine ke kodwa. Uyithenge phi ibhlukhwe Truworths? Funa ku-ayine. Yo, awesome mntana. Khumisa i-tag phela yale.
It's brand new.
Uthi wenza i-haircut fresh.
Yes.
Nayo i-part of presentation.
Yes, so sebenza.
Hayi. Last year vele university.
Yo mama.
Uzozinxiba ku-interview next year xa sewufuna umsebenzi.
Vele nakade kuyifunantuka yabo xa beqala
Unazo istangu?
Ngizonqoba amatebula events yami.
Oh, ufuna ukuba cool.
Okay. Sit noma ngumayo selula.
Dimi begcwele kakhulu.
Uthe full. So
Hayi ke umhleke.
Inkosi mama.
Upase kanti ithi presentation eyama marks.
Yebo mayo. Yo mama yabo sizama ukuba correct ngazo zonke indlela ama-marks.
Okay.
how many?
Hayi.
25 marks. Then what you gonna say? They also break it down.
Intoni?
Send us in total.
Hayi umhle.
Nzima le ntwana.
Kakhulu.
Azali ichaba.
Hayi umhle kabi.
Ngizokala no-ongezwa.
Angeke ndidlale nawe son. There's no way. Hayi bo ha. Hayi. Yaba flat kancane.
Hayi vele kuzoba nzima mama.
Khawuleze wayikhupha.
Ngizobona namanje ngamchaza wena. Angikwazi yazi befaka mama ngazi ukuphumile. Angigwayelanga nje.
Hi guys. Guys, I'm at Plaza. Bengidla ama chips. I hope angcolanga. Guys, ngise Oriental Plaza. Can you see? I'm here to buy a curtain. I'm looking for curtains for my dining room because I mean, guys, kunini curtains since last year December. So I'm like, it's winter is approaching, right? And I really don't want because it's big winter. I don't have curtains in the dining room when I'm watching Netflix and trying to be cozy in the dining room, and I don't have curtains. I don't want that for myself. Also, the dining room is bigger than the bedrooms, so it's better I start with it and then ngqedele emakamereni because they are smaller. So yeah, I'm here to get a curtain. I hope I'm gonna get something that I like. I hope I'm gonna get curtains amahle and angakho that expensive. So let's look for curtains, guys. Let's look for my curtains. I think I like these ones. I don't like these curtains anymore. This kind. These for my bedrooms, yes. These starting from here for my bedrooms, it's fine. Cause now ekamereni ngifuna kube mnyama. So I want block curtains. And then this one, I want this, guys. I want this curtain. These ones, it could never be me, Nkosiam. It could never be me. I want these. I want these curtains. I hope you guys can see. I'm trying to zoom in. I would have went for the white. Well, it's not really white, but like ulubanzi, guys, and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go for this color. So yeah. Hi guys. Hi. I am okay. I got amakhetini. I left them in the house. Bengikwazi ukuwafaka because I am rushing. I'm rushing to Sandton to drop off Ipinifa. Because she said she needed tomorrow because she's going to Eastern Cape. So if Bendizol Bosa, she was definitely not gonna get it tomorrow. So I was like, where do you stay? So that if you're closer, I can just drop it for you. And then she said she works at Sandton. So I'm gonna drop the Pinifa at Sandton. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the airport to pick up Babara Ogushle. And then, yeah, because I thought he's landing tomorrow. No, yesterday. He had said to me, Uzobuya Monday. But, and there's no, but we were changing flight here, or what happened? Oh my God, wrong. Oh, one thing about, I'm busy doing updating up, GPS, Lord have mercy. Yes, yes. And the guys in society in LA wrong. Like there's nothing I can do. As in, it's fine. But anyway, I was saying I'm gonna pick him up and then I'm gonna drop Ulubanzi. No, not Ulubanzi. I actually left Ulubanzi in the house with my mom. Tomorrow I'm dropping my mom at the airport. She's going back as well. And then I'm gonna drop Oguhle with his dad. He's gonna stay there until Thursday. His dad is flying back to the US on Thursday. So which means Oguhle will come back to the house on Thursday. So yeah, that's what we are doing right now. I can't wait to Yazin guys in Dama curtains. I can't wait to get to the house and put the curtains and see Uguti alright and island and stuff like that. But actually let me call my mom and ask her if she can put the curtains for me so that by the time they figure. No, but I need to put them myself. It's content for me. It's content for me. So yeah, I thought I should do that quick update. And let's do that. Let's fetch his dad and drop the Pinifa. And I think we're supposed to also to go at Woolworths to get him some clothes. Yeah. Goodbye. So guys, you know when she said she's short, I was like, okay, no, I know I'm short, ne? But when I saw her, I was like, hi bo, this level of shortness. So the pinafore was too long, but she needed it like that day, so I couldn't take it with me so I can fix it like so I told her to please I'll go back. I'm rushing to the airport. She's also parked wrong. But thank you guys for supporting my business.
Hello?
Hi, please come out.
Okay, I'm coming out in a second.
Okay. You will tell me where you are next.
No, someone's picking me up. I'm here at lower 11, or lower 13.
13. Okay. Hi guys, we are here. He's changed hotels. So you're... Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. Yes, we're checking in. You are checking in, not me.
Yeah.
Are you gonna sleep here today?
Yes.
And tomorrow? When are you coming home?
I
Yes,
don't
please, you can take it. Thank you so much. Huh?
I'm coming home.
Okay.
I don't know.
What? Why did you bring this PlayStation again?
What?
Why did you bring this again? Sanbon?
I play it.
Ninja and
What do you do
Sapi.
at the place? You play a PlayStation.
Oh, this place is nice, ne? Why did you bring it again?
Because I'm gonna play the PlayStation here.
I'm so hungry. Do you want us to go
Yes.
eat?
Yes.
Okay.
1,004, and I'm like, don't worry.
Imagine paying so much money for one night.
I'm playing cricket.
I would rather sleep at the garage.
So I was like, you know what? Can we go eat before I go home? Because I'm not gonna get home and cook, and everyone was hungry. But because the minute I said asambe nsiyoke, wonke umuntu uyawavuma sana uba actually asambe nsiyoke. So I decided to go have dinner. And yeah, I had a burger. We actually ordered the same thing. Guys, we never enjoyed the food from the previous hotel, Abesiguyo, but this one, the food, 10 out of 10. Plus 10, minus nothing. It was scrum yum. They said we must order burger nama chips, and at that day ngasho ngathi ngihalela ukudla nje. I don't want to say burger imdaka, but ukudla ongekho healthy. Yeah, actually bengihalela ukudla ongekho healthy. Yeah, bengiphubile nje into ye diet ngizoyibona mase khamba ubaba kaLubanzi. For now I enjoy burger.
Left onto Rudd Road, then take the first right onto.
Oh guys, I'm done. I'm going home. I've left the boys and it's time for me to go home and try and put the curtains. I hope I'll have the energy to put those curtains. I hope I'll have the energy. But let's drive and go home. We'll chat when I get there. Unjani bam? Sesebenze kanga?
There you go.
Ingeni? Othi siwalungise kahle. Entimda. Phela konke engiyaziyo. Sapha ndibambe le. Akazufuna ukuyidedele. Iza Lubanzi. This side. Hi guys, we are at the airport. Sizovalelisa abantu. Nansi flight sakhe. Bye. Yes, Linda. Yes. Imake. Khobeke phansi. Nansi. Ibeke la. Yeah. Asambe ke siyo check in. Yes. Come Nana. Say bye to the vlog.
Bye guys.
When are you coming back to Joburg?
Mid-April.
Alright.
Mid-April, definitely I need to be here. I have to fix up some other things.
So kubona mhla ubuya.
Amazimba amaphansi. Egoli nje amazimba amfunanga ndiwathole phansi eGauteng.
Hi guys. Hi. Guys, it's crazy that when I'm driving, I did buy that thing, yokufaka iphone emotweni, so that I can vlog nicely. But yaphuka, so I don't have it anymore. I need to buy another one. Yabonje, vlogging equipments, there are a lot. But anyway guys, I wanted to say that I am now done at the airport. I've dropped my mom and she's going back, and then now I'm going to the hotel to pick up them boys because we need to run our last errands with the little one, because his dad is going back tomorrow, and then on Sunday I am flying down to Durban to go drop uLubanzi okuhle ekhaya. So yeah, that's what is happening guys. I feel like I'm mentally and physically tired. I feel like on my last vlog I was physically tired, but this one I'm mentally and physically tired. And I feel like also that after Oguhle goes back home, because he's opening schools on Monday, right? Once I drop him, once I take him home, I feel like my life is gonna go back to normal. And ngizoba right mentally, ngizoba right physically. My body is gonna go back to the normal you know, the normal things that I do every day with Ulubanzi. That's why, but I don't want to complain about being tired a lot, but guys, I am. The thing is, Ulubanzi naye, guys, he still wakes up at night and take his bottle, and then I have to change his nappy. I think honestly nje, to be honest, my life will just get back to normal once Ulubanzi usekhulile usemdala, like 4 years, 5 years. That's when umzimba wami uzoba right, because right now, guys, yeah, but yes, it's over right. Let me go to the airport. No, not at the airport. Let me go to the hotel, pick up his dad and Okuhle, and we run the last errands, and then tomorrow I'm gonna drop him at the airport. His flight is around 7, but he's not going straight to US. I think he's going to UK. The one thing about that guy, he loves traveling, so I think Usayos enjoy again UK Magesh. Then he's gonna go back home, which is in the US. But KR, that was just my quick update. Let's go. Also, I'm not gonna post this vlog tomorrow, which is Wednesday, because I feel like I just want to finish anything and everything that has to do with utata ka Okuhle, yabo. Andifuna i-vlog ya Wednesday usasekhona kwi-vlog yami ya Wednesday, kwi-vlog yami ya Sunday I'm still talking about him and picking him up. I just want to be done. So this vlog is definitely not gonna come on Wednesday. You guys see it on Thursday, and the vlog for Sunday, you're not gonna see it on Sunday, because Sunday I'll be busy flying in and out to take Okuhle at home. So you probably see it on Monday or Tuesday. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys, but life is currently happening right now. So yeah, hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog, and just know that I'm very, very tired, but I am trying to have a vlog. Otherwise I should have just took a break. Should have just took a break this week, but no, I'm gonna push. Kulungile, bye. Bye, guys. Guys, ubani othethe ungisani? Yay, ave nihlupha. I am here to say the comment section on the previous vlog. Yo guys, angikaze ngihleke kanje ukuthi hayi siyathungisa. Guys, I think healthy co-parenting, ne, ba abantu bayididisa nokuthi nisafunana, nisathandana, and maybe it's because healthy co-parent, yo sana la ungakwazi ukuthi uparenting awe majesu ifone yami. That's because abantu abayijwayelanga healthy co-parenting. That's why kuvele kuthiwe anifuna ukubuyelana maybe. Hi. Hello. Hi guys. Okay, I got to the hotel, the new place, the new hotel that he's in. It's like 2 minutes away from the previous hotel. So I wanted us to go to Woolworths. So I said, let's go to Woolworths at what's this place? At Melrose Arc. So yeah, Blana, he wanted something to nibble on because he said he's hungry and he was craving Nando's. So he said, can he just get something to nibble on in the meantime? And then when he was done, sahamba ke saye uLwethi siyothengela umntwana impahla, like winter clothes. Yeah. Njani, because awukho sendlini. Uqokelana.
Where do you get that book from? That book is easy.
No, it's not. We're gonna leave it here. Wena ubunishawutela uba awungafika endlini. Oh my god, can we go home now? I'm so tired. Hi! Yeah, you can take them. Hi guys. Hi guys, we're done at Woolworths. We're buying Okuhle clothes. Yo guys, I'm so tired. I literally had a Red Bull. Unga, Wilubanzi. Ay, come. Hey, come, hold mommy's hand. Come. So we're done with, I think we're done with today's errands, honestly. I'm just gonna drop them at the hotel. Oh, they need food. One more thing, I'm gonna take them to buy food because they want Nando's, and then I can go home with my Lubanzi. Yo sana. Let's go guys. Hi guys. Hi guys, we are back home and I couldn't show you guys the curtains because I was in a rush. I need another piece here because when they are closed, they're not exactly what I want. So I need to buy one here. So yeah, let me try closing them now so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. But these are the curtains. Oh guys, am I not happy? I finally have curtains in the house. Like, aibo. Guys, imagine uhlale for 2 months without curtains. But guys, if you've been here, I'm sure you know Gucci. Don't bother. If I don't have money for it for now, even if it was 5 months without curtains. But yeah, I need one more there, and then azovaleka kahle. So guys, I hope you can see the difference why I need to add, because you see this side, this is how I want my curtains to be like when they are closed, right? They have these lines. They must not only have them when it's open. I know it looks untidy right now, but I hope what I'm saying makes sense. Then look at this side. I don't want this. You see this middle, this part? I don't like this. When curtains are closed, I want them to be like this, right? Except so kusivalile amakhethini, but analabo line lab. Guys, I hope I'm making sense. Okay, let me open the gate. I'll be back. Hi guys. Actually, I'm bane kamereni. Oh. Anyway, guys, these kids are disturbing me. I said that I fixed the curtains, like I just needed to fix them. I feel like I don't need to add. For me, they are fine. I'm happy with how they look. But also, I also feel like these curtains will make sense. They will make sense as soon as I change these couches, because I don't want those couches anymore. They will make sense. They will make sense. The design, the color will make sense as soon as I change all of this setup here, and these couches here, and this here. Everything will make sense. But for now, here are the curtains. I decided to fix them and I'm not adding. I'm okay. I'm happy. Yar. Kulungile, goodbye. Hi guys. Hi. Hi guys. Today's a Thursday. I hope you guys can hear me because of this noise that is happening outside. I really hope you guys can hear me, or it's not annoying you guys, because Mina is irritating me. But anyway, I woke up and I showed you guys my curtains because I'm so happy I have curtains. Like, what was I thinking staying for? It was end of December when my landlord put these new curtain rails. So I was like, I'm gonna sort it out in January. When I come back, January, February, March, April, full 3 months without curtains. That's why I'm so excited. But guys, I'm here to give you guys an update. I woke up, cleaned the house, washed all the bedding because my mom was here, like it was a full house. So I tried to do spring cleaning, but I'm a half because I need to go to Ogushe's dad. He's going back today, so it's gonna be a very, very sad day for my son. I feel very sorry for him. He literally said this was the best holidays ever, like he's ever had and stuff like that. So he really, really enjoyed his time with his dad, and I'm happy for him. But today I'm sad for him because I mean his dad is going back, and they are obviously going to continue talking via WhatsApp, whatever, Snapchat, but he was just used to Uklala Nai because he was spending time there at the hotel with him and stuff like that. So I feel very, very sorry for him. It's definitely not going to be a good day for him. So, but unfortunately, we need to say our goodbyes, and yeah, experience utatakhe umbonile uyamazi, like yonke lento bendiyifuna all these years, it finally happened. So I'm happy for him, but today shame ngiyamzwela ubuhlungu because akazuba happy uba uyahamba and stuff like that. But yeah, the previous clips we saw, guys, we went wamthengela impahla. So yeah, also today's a Thursday, and I'm sorry guys, I didn't have a vlog. Well, I do, but I'm thinking, like I said, I just wanted to somehow wrap up this part Kata Domdana, and Sazba next vlog ayikho. 2, I might post this tomorrow or Saturday because Saturday I'm going to Ogushe airport at Durban. So now I'm flying in the morning with him, drop him, my mom gets him, and then they drive to Eastern Cape. Now I sit at the airport, wait for my next flight. So now it's in and out for me. So that's what will happen. He already booked our flights yesterday night. So yeah, guys, I'm looking here and I'm like, oh, guys, I can't wait till I get the couch that I want. And the couch that I want with my bank balance, I understand. Like, I understand, but I want it. And I was talking to Goodness, and she was like, one thing I know about you, you will get that couch. And I'm like, I will, because now, guys, I lay by. If I can't afford, if something is 25,000 and I don't have that 25,000, my first question is, do you guys lay by? Yes, okay, great stuff. I get man lay by. She was reminding me, I know you're gonna get that couch. But I'm like, yo, it's so expensive. I said, no, don't worry, relax. Eventually, uzoifumana, because it's always sense, man, guys. You'll understand why these curtains, why this color, and when it's finally done. I know it's gonna take time for me to get everything endifunayo up endlini, but one day I'll definitely do not like a house tour, but a dining room reveal or bedroom reveal. So when I'm 1-1, yabo, no rush, 1-1. But anyway, guys, let's quickly go to the hotel and we say our goodbyes and we continue with life. It was good having him, and yeah, let's continue with life, guys. But anyway, let's go, guys. Yeah, I'll catch up with you when we get to the hotel. Bye. Guys, when I get home, I'm taking off this week. I've been saying I'm taking it off. I don't want it. It's so painful. Oh, Sana, but care, I didn't do it. But definitely when I get home, ipushile ne? Ipushile shame. Aningani hotel ama-robot awavulanga for lento nifuna siyenze, guys. I am definitely taking off this week when I get home.
Unlock the windows.
I must unlock the windows.
Yeah, your boy just farted.
How? Guys, I just wanted to say I am taking off this week when I come back. Send it right. Guys, like, boys will always be boys, because tell me why. Okay, when we got to the hotel, he was downstairs eating. We joined, we ordered our food as well. We ate, we sat there up until we're like, you know what, let's go upstairs so that he can pack and obviously prepare to go to the airport. when we got there, instead of him doing what he's supposed to be doing, he not plug this PS Ndonlendo, the PS5. He plugged it. He said, "Let's play," and I couldn't, like, there was no way I'm gonna be like, "Hi guys." Okay, we did have time. Honestly, I don't wanna lie, we did have time. So I just wanted them to have this moments together. And I mean, he is going, after all, he's going back. I don't know when he'll come back. I don't know when my son will ever have this experience again. So there was just no way I was going to rush them. I just kept on looking at the time just to make sure that he's not late at the airport, but also making sure that they're enjoying this time together. Yeah, bo. So, yeah. Guys, it's heavily raining. And time is, guys, it's actually so nice that I have a phone. Like, I can actually do this now. Who was saying it's Uno she was saying she loves it when YouTubers say time is roundabout and they actually show you what time it is. But vlogging with a phone, when you have one phone, you can't do this. You can't say time is roundabout and you actually show them. But now I can. But anyway, guys, they're here now. Let's go to the airport. So yeah, bye. Bye guys. Bye. Hi guys. Hi, I'm back home. I look so crusty. I wanna maglewi. Guys. I am so tired. Like, I don't even have the energy to go remove this wig. Like, go to the bathroom. I don't have the energy. Like, I really don't. Guys, we're stuck in traffic for like 1 hour 30 minutes because it's heavily raining. It usually takes me like 36 minutes from the airport to my house, but today, more than an hour. Ngikhathele. Lelifukufuku le-week ngizolikhulula kahle kusasa. Yabona kwamanje. I just wanted to come say I am back home. I want to take off this dress, put on my PJs, and sleep. You know what? I thought that ndizoba right ne, because it's pity siphelile. Tomorrow is Friday, and Saturday, vroeg in the morning, I'm flying down to Durban. Yo, guys. But anyway, we home, and my son didn't cry when we dropped off his dad at the airport. I thought he would cry because he usually cry for me when I leave home, Eastern Cape. Like, if I went home for holidays and then I'm leaving and I'm coming to Joburg. And me knowing him, I thought he's gonna cry because I know my son, yabo. But he didn't. But I can see that he's not okay, because ngengashouta la ngambiza ngambuza ukuthi right, usho ukuthi right. He was like, yeah, I'm fine. Guys, abafana, they have this thing yokuthi amadoda wakhali, and they have it from a very young age, and I don't know uba bayithathaphi. Like, I don't know who, and yes, bayithathaphi. Like, they have this thing yokuthi indoda ayikhali, qina. And even when he cries when I leave home, he doesn't cry in front of me. My cousin will call and be like, yo, since you left, Oguhle has been crying. He never cries in front of me. Like, I'll hug him, hi, bye, okay, I'll see you. I drive off sharp. Okay, bye, ma, love you. And then while I'm driving, I'm obviously in descent lane. My cousin will like, you know what, just talk to him. He's been crying, like, we don't know what to say anymore. So I don't know. I don't know if he's gonna cry, but if he does, I'm definitely not gonna say it because he's in the other bedroom. But I can see that he's not emotionally okay. He's really not. He hasn't been okay since yesterday, because I told him, okay, your dad is going today, which is the following day today. I'm like, your dad is going tomorrow. So, and yes, again, is again. I was like, okay, no, it's fine. But I could see Njuba, he's not okay. Yeah, guys, it's so sad. Like, it's so sad. Lapo America ikude kanjani. ekude kanjani. I don't know when he will go there. I don't know when he'll come back this side. Like, I don't know at this point. Namangazi, but at least he tried, he came, and my son had the best holidays from his mouth. These were my best holidays. I was like, great stuff. I'm glad you enjoyed. I'm glad bekumnandi. I'm glad you met your dad. And. So I feel sorry for him. I'm very sad for him. But it's life, unfortunately. Injalo uzokhula esazi ukuthi impilo inamahla ndenyuka. So yeah, guys, let me stop yapping. At this point, I don't know whether I should stop this vlog. I don't know how long it is. I'm tired, and yeah. So I don't know whether I should continue or edit and post this vlog tomorrow, which is Friday. And then Saturday I start a new one. Yo, guys, I'm so tired. Oh my Jesus. Oh my guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I will see you guys on my next one. I think I'm closing it. Nah, I'm tired. Oh my guys, asivaleni vlog guys, sizobuye siyenze enye futhi. Thank you for 11,000 subscribers, all 11,000 of you. Thank you so much for joining the family, to my new subbies. I will see you on my next one. Kulungile, goodbye.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, would you